There are over 7 million Tsonga speakers in the world, with over 2.5 million in South Africa and over 4.5 million in Mozambique. Most Tsonga speakers in South Africa live in the Limpopo province. The pioneer translators of the Bible in Tsonga were Swiss-French missionaries that came to South Africa in 1875. In 1892, the British and Foreign Bible Society published the first 2 books into Tsonga, the Gospel according to Luke and the Book of Acts. The Tsonga New Testament appeared in 1894 and the whole Bible in 1907. Several revisions followed until the South African Bible Society published a new Tsonga translation in 1989 called Mahungula Manene. The Tsongas also have in their language the Heidelberg Catechism and the Jesus Film. Despite these remarkable gains over the past 125 years, there are still relatively few biblical resources in Xitsonga. This has been changing recently with the publication of tracts, songs, funeral manuals, catechisms, children's Sunday school lessons, Bible quizzes, new members' booklets, and even a website dedicated to the advancement of the gospel to the Tsonga people. The foundation of the church is Jesus Christ and His Word. When the Tsonga scriptures are thundered from the pulpits, explained on the printed page, and taught in the home, whole cultures will be transformed. Pray that many more biblical resources for the Tsongas would advance and spread far and wide. Pray according to 2 Thessalonians 3:1, that the word of the Lord may speed ahead and be honored.